Hello, guys. Welcome to our official YouTube channel. This is the CY's Gadget official YouTube channel. My name is Cyprian Orere. I'm the CEO of CY's Gadget. The CY's Gadget is a registered business enterprise that is into sales of quality and cutting-edge gadgets. Currently, we have a physical store location at Ekosodi, Benin City, very close to Univen to be precise. So, what is this channel about? So, in this channel, we are going to be dropping videos of different cutting edge gadgets, ranging from unboxing videos of these gadgets, and also we are going to drop videos on how you can use this gadget, tell you about the special features in this gadget and how this gadget can make work and life easier for you. Then also we're going to drop tech tips on trendy gadget and tech related stuff. We talk about tech related topics in this channel. And if you're a gamer, you are welcome to join in this channel because we are going to drop some hacks and tips on how you can improve and enhance your gaming experience, especially if you're a PC and a mobile gamers. So if you're a programmer, you're a tech enthusiast, you're interested in tech, you're a content creator, this channel is for you. So hit that subscribe button and see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out.